Yo, what's good guys, another one today. Calling this place just here, so turn this around. Here we are. I know you can't really see anything at the moment, but you bear with me. I'll light that place up for you. There we go. This is where we are. Just connecting it to my camera by a clip. And it is a trashed one, but it is another one. So let's get on with it. Stay downstairs first as we walk through. Got a little frog there. See little frogs? There's a few of them. Where is it there? And then there, jumping off. Oh, there's a few of them, there's some more here. Like, there's another one. See it jumping. Don't know if you saw them on the camera or not, folks, but yeah, there's loads in here. So yeah, please turn off the lights before you leave. Don't know if you read that. I was just taking a photo then, folks, so. Okay, and two. Like a little bar area. This way first, we've got another little bar area. I am taking photos as I go as well, folks, so you will have to bear with me. Got a big room here. Quite trashed. As I say, this place is a bit destroyed. There's frogs all over the place. There's one there as well. Literally, there you can see that. Makes out. There, see it jumping. They're all over the place. That's crazy. So, watch where I walk, so I tread on it. Oh, big hole there. Oh, there's loads of mould here. Look at that. It's disgusting. Come through to, this is the room where we started. Obviously the door out there. So, come back this way. Go through. Then we'll go to the toilets and upstairs, I think. These are the toilets. These toilets have seen better days. God, look at the door. No, I'm not doing it now. I don't know what that noise is. This is the gents. I want to upstairs. This way first though. Was that you walking over tiles? I feel.
Yeah.
I wondered what it was. There's a... Can you get upstairs? If you can get upstairs, folks, then there's a typewriter there. Centre screen. Looks like a typewriter, doesn't it? We've got all these floppy disks on the floor. Loads of floppy disks. Literally. Absolutely loads of them. Got it spongy up here, folks. I'm watching when I'm walking. More stairs down. Hello. Spongy here. Walking across it. Oh well. So we are up here now. Walking through. I think we'll go this way first. Fire exit to go out. It's very spongy, guys. So I've got to watch when I'm walking here. Turn my light off while I come out here. Oh wow. So that's the noise that you can hear that you heard earlier. Walking across this stuff that leads you to another room up there. Let's go. Oh wow. So this is where we started from upstairs. We come into this little building, the towel room. In mush, we trust. But yeah, you see it's battered, folks. Battered. So, we come back this way. Because it's a bit safer this way. You've got the fire extinguisher, the labels for them. This is one way we haven't been. Into this big room that we was in, and then into this room here. So as I say, it is a bit of a trash one. Well, unfortunately, that is all we could see inside this part. So I think we'll go downstairs and then see what that's all. There's another building. I've got to look for another building. But up there, I want to see that typewriter, I really do. Because look, I don't think you can get to it without getting a ladder. There's no stairs to go up. Not what I can see. And that looks like the only way in. That's a shame. Coming down the fire escape, which leads us to a battered door and takes us into another door. So again, we'll stay downstairs first. Oh well, this place is battered as well. What the hell, man? What is going on in these places? We have some food tins and drink cans. It's a lid. Then we got another one here that says plastics. And then we've got some bad stairs up there where the plastics which is there. What? Shut up, you. Why have you ran off anyway? Scared? Don't want you be on my camera, you'll break it. Yeah. Some more stairs here. I forgot now, you got your bum boy back, haven't you? You don't need me. That's what it is. Bum boy's back, so he doesn't need me now, guys. Usually when your bum boy's not here, he's all over me. Harsh but true.
Just because swapped you for the younger model.
It's alright, he uses people like Phantom Explorer for his car. Hello there.
You're a cock.
So we'll continue. Now don't get aggressive, don't show off, come on. Right, and we are going to go up there where they've just come down.
He's a prick.
Who's a prick?
Taylor Jimin.
Got stuck. Right. Shot through the window. Beautiful. Got myself into this door. Battered. But yeah, we just come upstairs. And this is where, from there, we're going to go up. Or should I say across? Got myself into this door. This place is battered, folks. Battered. Everything's destroyed. I mean, look at this. It's literally destroyed. Ooh, it's spongy up here. You have to be careful. Look at the floor. Same here as well. And then there. Should be okay. Stay on the beams. That's no point. We'll go back this way. So we'll see you back downstairs, folks. So I'm out from the side here, folks. And yeah, this place is being demoed, which makes sense why it's all stripped. You see here. It's being demoed, so that's why it's all stripped. Well, yeah, I'll have a little walk back in, because I've been told there's supposed to be tunnels somewhere. As soon as you walk in, they're behind the door. Well, so far we don't have any tunnels. There's a cuckoo over there as well. Well, this is one place. Oops, I just tripped up. So yeah, come back through this way. This takes us back upstairs. We've already been here, folks, but just doing a once through. And then go back downstairs, which is through here. Whew. Well, yeah, I haven't seen the tunnels anywhere. You found them?
Yeah.
Have you?
It's out there.
It's outside?
No, it's there. Where you looking?
Oh yeah. I walked over that.
When you go in there, the original stairs are still there to go down. It's Gingy's foot. Yeah, I'll show you what it looks like.
Where are the stairs? In here?
In there. Yeah, look.
Oh yeah. Oh fucking hell. His bad phone as well.
It still works.
Still works. That's what it looks like.
That's a true
I come in here. I did come in here as well, but I stepped over that.
We get that.
So yeah, that's where the tunnel is, folks. Right then, let's get back outside. And we're out, folks. So yeah, this is from the outside. What a gorgeous place. Ooh. Big hole there. What a gorgeous place this would have been at once. That's what I was about to say before I found out no. Wow. But yeah, that's it. So don't forget to check out Voidy Viking, the past explorer over there.
Hello.
And also don't forget to check out the social media up on the screen. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.